Hello. Welcome to another video from our channel. Here you will have tips and information on how to stay strong and healthy both physically and mentally, increasing your disposition, your stamina, and your immunity. Together we will be unveiling the secrets of how to benefit from everything that nature provides us to achieve our goal of enjoying a healthy life. Hello, in our today's video, we're going to talk about one of nature's oldest and most nutritious foods, honey. Honey is a natural product produced by bees from the nectar of flowers. It is rich in nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and enzymes. In addition, it contains natural sugars, such as glucose and fructose, which provide the body with energy. To include honey in your diet, there are several options. It can be consumed pure, added to teas, juices and vitamins and, among other things, used as an ingredient in recipes for cakes, breads and desserts. It is important to remember that honey is a food rich in sugar and should be consumed in moderation. Antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties can be highlighted. It is a natural cough and sore throat remedy used to treat wounds and burns. Honey can also help improve digestion and regulate the immune system. Honey has great potential to alleviate seasonal allergy symptoms. That's because they contain small amounts of pollen, which can help your body build up a tolerance for these substances. Honey has nutritional and medicinal properties that provide several health benefits, as it is rich in antioxidants, which can protect cells from premature aging, regulate triglyceride and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of fatty deposits in the arteries and the risk of develop heart disease. Honey also helps lower blood pressure, has antibacterial properties, fights fungal, viral and bacterial infections, soothes sore throats and coughs, for example, and can be used as a natural sweetener. However, honey should be consumed in moderation as it is still high in calories and sugar, which can contribute to weight gain and blood sugar issues, particularly if consumed in excess. Main benefits: substituting honey for pure sugar in some foods helps keep blood sugar levels stable and can have many health benefits. Some of these advantages are: increase the body's defenses. The compounds present in honey confer antioxidant power, which helps protect the body. Among the benefits, there is a reduction in the risk of heart attacks and strokes, promotion of eye health, in addition to helping in the treatment of some types of cancer, such as kidney cancer, preventing the multiplication of cancer cells. Improve heart health. Honey has beneficial effects on heart health because it can increase blood circulation and reduce the formation of blood clots. This process helps prevent heart disease by lowering blood pressure, increases cholesterol and reduces triglycerides. Honey can be a good ally in the fight against high cholesterol, as it lowers the level of bad cholesterol, LDL, and increases the level of good cholesterol, HDL, in the body. However, since honey can be used as a sugar substitute, it can help lower triglycerides. In general, a diet high in sugar and refined carbohydrates raises triglyceride levels, which increases the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. As honey can sterilize wounds and promote healing by reducing pain, smell, and size, it has the property of reducing healing time, which is considered effective and better than some dressings. It also fights microbes and aids in tissue regeneration, making it an excellent option for treating diabetic foot ulcers. Honey has also been used to treat oral and genital herpes sores because it relieves itching and works just as well as over-the-counter ointments. It can also treat antibiotic-resistant bacteria, ulcers, and organ wounds after surgery and burns. Sore throat, asthma, and cough relief. Honey relieves inflammation and swelling in the throat and lungs and is effective against colds and flu, providing a good night's sleep. It is recommended to consume 2 teaspoons of honey before going to bed, as the sweetness causes more saliva production. It improves the lining of the throat, protects against irritation, reduces and relieves coughing, and is in many cases safer and more effective than some syrups. See how to make lemon tea with honey and other home remedies for colds. Improves gastrointestinal health. Honey is a very powerful prebiotic that feeds the good bacteria that live in your gut, which is great for your digestion and overall health. It can also be used to treat digestive disorders such as diarrhea and is effective in treating Helicobacter pylori, which causes gastric ulcers. But another tea you can make to fight indigestion is honey with cinnamon. This is because these two natural foods help improve the overall digestive process, helps memory and anxiety. Using honey as a sugar substitute improves memory and anxiety levels. Studies have also shown that honey can also improve memory in menopausal and menopausal women. Hemorrhoid treatment. Honey has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and healing properties that reduce bleeding and relieve pain and itching caused by hemorrhoids. To do this, mix honey, olive oil and beeswax and apply to the affected area. Combat obesity. Thanks to its properties, honey improves blood sugar and fat control, reduces inflammation, and helps with weight maintenance. It should be remembered that honey is not recommended for children under 3 years old, as their immature intestines are unlikely to prevent the penetration of tiny microbes in honey that can cause infections. Recruitment methods. Since honey is high in calories, it should be consumed in small quantities. Therefore, it is indicated to consume a maximum of 2 teaspoons per day, which can be added to juices, smoothies, cookies, cakes or other culinary recipes. In addition, it is important to give preference to pure honey and, if possible, organically grown honey, as industrialized honey sold in supermarkets usually has other ingredients, being less beneficial to health. Honey contraindications. Even though honey has many benefits, there are some restrictions and it is contraindicated for some people in some situations such as children under 2 years of age, up to the 2nd year of age, as the child's digestive system may not be fully developed. There is a high risk of severe botulism poisoning by a bacteria commonly found in honey. Diabetics. Even though honey has many benefits compared to white sugar, people with diabetes should avoid it because it contains simple sugars that increase blood glucose. Allergy. To avoid symptoms such as redness of the skin, itching of the body and throat, swollen lips, and watery eyes of those who are allergic to honey, the ideal is to avoid the consumption of both honey and products that contain it. Fructose intolerance. As fructose is present in the composition of honey, intolerant people cannot consume it, as well as excluding other products with fructose from their diet. Irritable bowel syndrome. In some people with this syndrome, honey can cause poor digestion, excess gas, and diarrhea as it is rich in fructose and, therefore, it may be necessary to avoid the consumption of this food. Therefore, if you have no contraindications, given all the benefits of honey, this food is a great ally and inserting it into your daily diet can be a great choice. It is important to remember that children under 1 year old should not consume honey, as it may contain spores of the bacterium Clostridium botulinum, which can cause a severe form of food poisoning. All in all, honey is a delicious and nutritious food with many health benefits. If you haven't tried it yet, it's worth adding to your diet. Use in moderation and always choose good quality honey. And then? Did you like this content? Was it relevant? Added more value and knowledge? Post here in the comments and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any notifications. Share with friends and relatives so that more people have access to this content. Leave your like, so YouTube understands that this information is relevant and makes it reach more people, so that everyone enjoys more health. Live a full life, face your challenges with faith, eat right, move with joy and walk hand in hand with happiness. Until the next video.